Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, guys. Today we're going to talk about Voya app, and I'm going to show you guys that how I got it a mod which gave me unlimited coins, and I'm about to show you right now how it looks like, and also I'm going to show you the steps that how you can do it also. So just go to my account right now, press charge, and as you can see right over here I got so many of them, guys, and then I'm going to show you what you have to do. So practically before we start the whole process, you just need to make a few changes in the settings if you didn't do it before. So just go to your settings, scroll it down to the App Store, and then you have this option, automatic downloads. You just need to activate it if you have it off. All right. Then you need to make sure about your internet connection, guys, so the whole process doesn't interrupt. So it will be good if you can get connected with Wi-Fi and mobile data. So to check this, I'm going to show you right now how you can do it. Just go to General. You have this option here, background tap refresh, again on the top, and here it is, Wi-Fi and mobile data. Okay, so these are the only two things you need to do. These are required just for the iOS users. For the Android users, there is no need to make these changes. And then you just need to go to the internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser you prefer, guys. I'm going to use Google right now, so just go and
Sorry guys, my old website is hack. Go to new website. Me, luck.com, don't worry, all step are same.
here you're going to find a lot of other games, guys, mods, apps, and so on, so you can check later if you're interested for something else. If not, you can just go in your searching bar and search about the mod, about this app. So we are inside of the site right now. I can go to the searching bar, it's easier to find it. Here we go. Press install now. It will start installation of the mods, but at the end of this process, guys, you're going to be able to get the mod and generate the coins same as me. So this is my video tour for the day, guys. Thank you for watching. Cheers.